Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Stratus Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes, I have.
May I know your name, ma'am, and name after the reservation?
Juana Marina.
This way, ma'am. This is your table. This is your table. Cut. Ma'am, I am Isabel, and I am your food attendant for today, and my pleasure to serve you.
Okay.
Good morning again, ma'am. May I pour you some water?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, would you like to order first or some refreshments? We have pineapple juice, orange juice, and grape juice.
Grape juice.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, here's your complimentary soft drink.
Thank you.
May I present you our menu?
Of course.
Just call my attention, ma'am, if you are ready to order. Thank
Okay.
you.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, ma'am. Are you ready to order some appetizer?
Yes, but you can suggest your best seller for my appetizer.
Of course, may I ask you if you have any food allergies?
No, I don't have that.
Okay, ma'am. For your appetizer, may I suggest bestseller lobster chips?
Okay, I will try it.
For your soup, ma'am, may I suggest our seafood soup?
Okay.
For your main course, may I suggest our squid negra with white rice?
Okay.
For your dessert, may I suggest our chocolate cake? For your beverages, may I suggest our roasted pico?
Okay. Okay, I would like to try your suggestions. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your appetizer.
Hi.
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to serve your soup?
Yes, please.
Here's your seafood soup, ma'am. Done to your appetizer, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done to your soup? And are you ready to your main dish?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your main dish. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done to your meal?
Ah, yes.
Are you ready for your dessert?
Okay. Of course.
Here's your dessert, ma'am.
Can you serve also my tea?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your tea.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have my bill?
Okay, ma'am. Okay po. Cash or card?
Cash.
Here's your bill, ma'am. I received 620. Thank you. Here's your change, ma'am.
Thank you.
Is there anything I can do for you, ma'am?
No, thank you.
this way, ma'am. Thank you for coming. Please come again.